How do we improve product delivery to our customers? How do we change product more quickly to better satisfy our customers? How do we recover after failing our customers? How do we get paid faster by our customers? According to the 2017 State of DevOps report, high-performing IT organizations perform significantly better. In particular, 46 times more frequent code deployments, 440 times faster lead time from commit to deploy, 5 times lower change failure rate, 96 times faster mean time to recover from downtime, 44% more time on new work. So they have more time on new projects, such as new features or code, or things that add more value to the organizations. So what's DevOps? Is it culture? Is it task automation? Is it AI of tools? What's DevOps, really? DevOps is a cultural and professional movement aimed at creating conditions where software can be built, tested and deployed rapidly, frequently and reliably while ensuring high quality through strong collaboration, communication and integration between development and operation. DevOps brings together a set of values, principles, and practices to help IT organizations succeed and deliver many benefits to the business and ultimately to the customer. DevOps will help to increase frequency of deployments and the time to deploy new code resulted in launching a product faster to the market, as well as lower failure rate of new releases. This will be a huge competitive advantage. DevOps also allow them to shorten lead time between fixes and improve mean time to recovery. If you want to keep your company on the cutting edge, get your DevOps certification at NTC.